Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this tutorial video, I want to share with you where you can get free and also nice looking templates for your WordPress website. Okay, so this is a new installation of a WordPress website. The theme is called 2024. So if you are okay with the theme, you can just use this theme to create your website. But most people will want a even more professional and also nice looking website. So I will share with you where you can get the templates from. So you need to log into your WordPress dashboard and let's go to plugin, add new plugin. Hi, I hope that you are enjoying the video so far. In WebBuddy, we also help to fix WordPress errors, updating WordPress plugins, speeding up your website, securing your website. We also offer monthly WordPress maintenance or ad hoc WordPress related services. So if you need our help, you can email me at casey@webbuddy.sg or visit our website webbuddy.sg. I'll leave the links in the description below. Okay, now back to the video. And the plugin that we are going to add is called the Starter Template. This is one of the very popular template library that a lot of people is using. So click install now. This one, Starter Templates. So it's installing the plugin at the moment. So after it's installed, click activate and it will bring you to the startup wizard. Okay, so what you are seeing is the startup template wizard. So let's select classic starter template. So build with templates. And once you click on the build with templates, it will start to load up the design. Okay, so there are a few things here I want to share with you. First is that you take a look at the upper right corner. You can select what kind of page builder you want the template to base on. Is a blog editor, which is the default Gutenberg editor that comes with WordPress, or Elementor, which is a very easy to use editor, but it will slow down your website loading speed, or this Beaver Builder, which I have quite some very limited experience with this page builder. So I would suggest that you can go for blog editor if you need a faster website loading. You can go for Elementor if you want the easier or user-friendly editor to use. Okay, so let me select blog editor at the moment. So while you're scrolling down, you can see that some of the templates is being tagged of premium. So premium means you need to pay. But there are also many free templates that you do not need to pay. You can just use it as it is and modify from there. There are really a lot of templates, and you can also sort the templates according to your industry. So let's say you want to start a business for your cleaning services, then it also show you some related cleaning themes that you can use. Okay, or business, if you select agency, you will also sort accordingly. Okay, so let's assuming that we want to use this to start off. So I will just click this template. So once you click on a specific template, you can upload a logo here. You can choose the font style. You can choose the color. So normally you will match your color together with your logo. Okay, so for example, I just choose a red color theme, and you can scroll down further to take a look how the design looks like. So I pretty like this design, so I click continue. And this is where you can select some of the features. Do you want to collect donation from a website? For me, no. Automation, I also do not need automation. Sales funnel, video player, free live chat. Maybe free live chat, yes. Okay, so I'll click continue. Or I can even skip this step. Okay, so I'll click continue and just type in my name. So you can just type in or select accordingly. So for the advanced option, you can install, activate Astro Theme, share non-sensitive data, this I will just disable. But for this, I believe it is a must, so just make sure you enable this. Okay, so now I'll submit and build my website. So we'll come back to the video shortly. Okay, so now the website has been completed. So according to the timer here, it says that it takes only 41 seconds to complete the website. So let's visit our website. So here you go. So this is our new website which already created and put in all the demo information. So I can just go ahead and edit the template itself. So it's really fast. And check out the contact page. So this is a contact page itself. You can put in the address also. So how do we normally edit the page in WordPress is that you need to go back to the dashboard. So once you go back to the dashboard, you go to pages, all pages, you can see all the pages is here. So let's say I edit home. So here you will see the home page in editor mode. So you can scroll down and whatever things that you need to change, you can just click on it and make changes from here, for example. So you can just make any amendment. If you need to change picture, click on the picture and you can change it at the side. So that's how easy it is to use starter template to select a template that is nice looking and also is free to use. Of course, you can go ahead and upgrade to their paid themes if you think that you require their paid features. So I hope that this video helped you and give you another alternative to select a free and nice looking templates for your next WordPress website. So if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.